Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be filming this clothing haul today. I remember I used to watch all my favourite YouTubers do Princess Polly hauls and I'd be like, wow, what a dream, I wish I could do that. I love Princess Polly so much. And now we're here. I'm partnering with them for this video and I want to thank them for sending me these amazing pieces that I'm going to show you. I have a discount code I'll leave on the screen if you want to shop any of these looks. Let's start with what I'm wearing. I absolutely love this cardi and little crop top set. It's just so comfy and it's great for like winter, spring weather. I love cable knit stuff and this is just so comfy and warm. I'd pair this with some jeans or like a knitted skirt or a mini skirt. I've been wanting to add more blue to my closet and when I saw this on the website I was like, I have to have that. Cropped cardigans are really in right now and yeah, I love this trend. Super cute. You can't really see but I'm also wearing this plain little black mini skirt. It's just like a perfect basic to have in your wardrobe if you need a little plain mini skirt. You can match it with anything such as this cardi or just a t-shirt. It is a very short mini style, so if you want to go a bit longer I would size up. But yeah, I needed a plain black skirt. It just goes with everything. I'm going to bring this rack in and go through the rest of the items. We've got this little beige crop top here. I love the cut of this. It's very like square and high neck. It's a nice ribbed material and it's also just another basic that can go with anything. This kind of top is good with layering. It goes with everything. I could wear it with this black skirt I'm wearing or with jeans and a jacket. Yeah, basic neutrals like this are great to have. You can dress them up or down. The next top I have is this bright green kind of frilly blouse. It's kind of like a vintage style. It's got this button-up detailing. Princess Polly actually posted a photo of Kendall Jenner wearing this top with this black mini skirt, so I thought that'd be a really cute outfit to recreate. Yeah, I love these two pieces together. I think it's such a basic but really cute and unique outfit. And you know that I love green. Look at my room. Green is just so pretty. We've got this really nice kind of vintage style brown leather blazer. I love throwing on faux leather pieces and I didn't have anything this brown color so I thought I'd pick it up. It's so nice. I thought it'd be really nice with this beige crop top and then some black bottoms, whether it's like black jeans, black pants, black skirt. This mini skirt would actually go cute with it. And then with some boots, I just think that would make a really chic, cute outfit. With jackets and coats, I always go up a size, so I got the size S/M instead of extra small/S. Yeah, I always like to size up with coats. I just like the oversized look. Love it, girl! I was pleasantly surprised with this knitted mini skirt because I didn't expect it to be an actual thick knitted material, so I was like, yes, this is perfect for winter. I thought it would be more of like a thinner ribbed black material, but this is like a full thick knit. This would actually go cute with this knitted blue top. It's actually quite a warm outfit but still nice and girly and dressy. But yeah, I've been after a plain black mini skirt and the fact that this is really warm and thick is just a plus because I hate being cold. It's also got some splits at the bottom as well, which I love. Ooh, this dress, it's so sweet and cute. If you follow Gabriel and Jess Conti, I saw Jess wearing this, it was probably like a couple of years ago or last year. I saw her wearing it on Instagram and on YouTube and I was like, that's so cute, I have to have it. But it's been like sold out every time I've checked. So when I saw this was back in stock, I had to get it. I love things that you can chuck on in summer. This one is really loose and oversized. It's got pockets and a button. So yeah, I think this will be one of my go-tos in summer, just chucking it on with some sandals. I love this beige kind of canvas color for spring and summer as well. So that's all the clothing. I have a couple accessories I'll show you as well. We've got these gorgeous Windsor Smith sandals. I know some of you would be like, not sure about them. But I reckon these are going to come into style, especially this spring. I saw a couple of girls I follow on Instagram wear them with socks and I just think it adds a really nice quirk to an outfit. But yeah, even with this outfit I'm wearing now, it kind of gives like a cute schoolgirl vibe. These ones are super nice quality and I tried them on and they felt really comfy and soft already. I feel like I'm really basic with shoes because I always go with colourful clothing and then I feel like black shoes and white shoes go with everything. I got these black little heels. I have ones that are similar to this but they're getting worn out because I wear them a lot. But my old ones only had 2 straps and I like that this one has like the toe strap and then 3 pretty straps like that. I never wear super high heels, only for photos and stuff, but for actual going out I definitely pick up short heels. Yeah, a little heel is way more comfy and it just makes the outfit a little bit spicier and a bit more dressy. So yeah, I love them. And lastly, I picked up this cute little olive bag. I don't have anything this kind of green yellowy colour. I love this vintage kind of style and the little padlock that it has, and I feel like it's a good size. You could fit a decent amount of stuff in this bag. So that's everything that I picked up from Princess Polly. I'll leave all the links down below if you want to check out any of these items, and make sure to use my code if you want to buy anything. I'm so happy with this haul. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of wear out of all these outfits. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you want to see next from me. Let me know if there's any specific celebrities you want me to recreate outfits from, because I know you guys liked my last video. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!